Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. How are you guys? It's been about 5 weeks since I did my last ammo review or ammo update. Field and Stream has not had anything for the past 5 weeks. Ever since that hijacking of that 7 million rounds of 22 long rifle of Aguila near Mexico, have there been no ammo delivered to Field and Stream. They may have had a 9mm delivery of a few dozen boxes of 9mm Federal, I believe, but very expensive, like $25.99 a box, which if you buy 100 rounds, that's almost 50 cents a round, so that's not a good deal. I have seen deals on Velocity ammo where you can get 1,000 rounds of Wolf for steel case for $3.69. Free shipping. That's a good deal. So you're gonna end up paying 37 cents per round. That's pretty good. If you don't mind the steel case, which I don't. Hey, as long as it shoots, I don't care what it is, brass or steel, you know? Anyway, so I'm headed over to Field and Stream. I'm on my way to my mom's house to mow her lawn and to clean up her siding. So on the way there, it's a Thursday. Thursday is usually a good day to go to Field and Stream because that's been the trend of when they get ammunition shipments. So we'll see what they have today. Hopefully they'll have something, maybe they'll have none. If they have any 9mm ammo, even though at $25.99 a box, I've got a $10 coupon which takes it down to 40 bucks for 2 boxes. So that would be like 40 cents a round, which at that price I'll still buy. Here we go. Let's see if they have anything today. Nice beautiful day. How's it going? Good, how are you? You know, it's never busy in here. I don't know how they stay in business, to be honest with you. You can't have this much square footage in Long Island without selling something. It's not just ammo, too. Pretty quiet here. Nothing else going on. Shelves are empty. Looks like that's the same crap from last time. Shelves are empty. Looks like the same crap from last time. You still have the 7.6251. Same shipment from 5 weeks ago. This is kind of new. Kent cartridge. Fast steel. Precision plated steel. This is 12 gauge, 3.5. 1 3/8 on a low charge. BB shots, $32.99 for 25. Ooh, got some Federal 12 gauge. That's cool. Same stuff here. The 45 auto. Centerfire. Ooh. Some 40 Blazer CCI. 50 cartridges for $29.99. 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. 180 grain full metal jacket. No 9mm. The same centerfire. 20 rounds of 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. Yep, nothing here. Anthony, what's up, man? Yeah. As you guys know, that's Anthony from Field and Stream. We did an interview with him on what he thought the ammo shortage was about. And if it's getting better or not, be sure to check out that video on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. I never really show you what they have here in terms of firearms. It's mostly just shotguns here. Field & Stream is a subsidiary of Dick's Sporting Goods. They do not carry any ARs, nor do they plan on carrying any ammunition for ARs. But they have some tactical stuff here, with some tactical looking shotguns for sure. Now, if I was going to get a shotgun, I would get a semi-automatic AR platform type tactical shotgun like that. But I might move in a couple years to North Carolina or something, and I bet you there's a lot more better selection down south. I never really showed you this stuff here. So you know what's funny is that when you buy pepper spray, they actually take your license number down and you have to sign something. But you can buy ammo without doing anything, you know. Here we have some optics, rifle scopes and binoculars, Bushnell rifle scopes. Here we've got some pistolas. Revolvers. Double action revolvers. Isn't that cute? I wouldn't fuck with her. And Ruger handguns. Ooh, this is a 22. Looks nice. Coyote 6 hour 9mm. P320. Legion 10 round. Beretta. APX. Oh, the 92F. Well, it's not the 92F. 92A1 is what it is. But I remember I've shot a few 92Fs. Military and police issue. Just giving you guys an idea what they carry here. I never really show guns, so. Model 29 revolver, $1,300. Well, anyway, that's it. Nothing to buy. Too bad. But anyway, that was my video for today.
Back to the Dick's.
So sorry, there was nothing for me to buy there today. I just had some old stuff that nobody bought. 5 weeks now with no 9mm or 22 in stock, so I guess the ammo shortage is still on. See you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.